Whether you live in a single-story home on a slab foundation or a three-story house with a walkout basement, there's no shortage of options when it comes to choosing ladders for gutter cleaning. We've tested dozens of ladders of all different types and sizes, so in this guide, we'll help you navigate the selection process to choose the best option for your rain gutter cleaning needs. Number 1. Louisville Ladder 6-foot fiberglass platform ladder. A platform ladder offers a stable work area for cleaning out gutters adjacent to a driveway, patio, deck, or other fairly level surface. This pick from Louisville Ladder boasts an extra-large platform with plenty of space to maneuver. The top handrail is conveniently positioned at tool belt height, which is 30 inches above the platform. It features an array of tool slots and a magnetic strip to help you stay organized. The ladder also includes non-skid feet, slip-resistant rungs, wide back braces, and double-riveted construction. It supports up to 300 pounds. This 6-foot platform ladder gave us over 12 feet of reach, equivalent to an 8-foot step ladder, but with better stability and much more comfortable footing. The 57-inch base spread gave it a longer footprint as well. At 31 pounds, it was heavier than most 8-foot fiberglass step ladders, but it was still light enough to carry around the yard. The only downside would be awkward positioning if there were an occasion to stand and work at a lower height. Number 2. Ladder Max Original Ladder Standoff Stabilizer. Propping your ladder against an aluminum gutter can scratch the paint, damage the gutter, or allow the ladder to side slip on the smooth surface. Adding a ladder stabilizer solves these problems. The Ladder Max Standoff Stabilizer allows you to safely rest your ladder against the roof or siding with a wider base of contact for improved lateral stability, all without damaging the house. The Ladder Max Stabilizer is made of rust-resistant steel and boasts a Type 1AA maximum load rating. OSHA certified and ANSI tested, it attaches to straight, extension, or articulating ladders in seconds by easily mounting over 2 rungs of a ladder. The arms angle outward to distribute weight across an area nearly twice the width of most ladders, boosting the ladder's overall stability. The distance between the non-marring arm tips measures 36 inches. The stabilizer provides 19 inches of standoff for a more comfortable working position and safer lateral reach. Number 3. Werner 28-foot fiberglass glide-safe extension ladder. We've used a lot of extension ladders over the years, and one of the biggest issues is the amount of physical strength it takes to extend the upper portion of the ladder. Werner has changed all that with its proprietary lift assist technology. With lift assist, extending the ladder is up to 50% easier, sparing the user's back and arms from unnecessary strain. The technology utilizes spring-assisted components, much like a garage door opener, to reduce the force needed to raise the ladder. All he had to do was pull downward on the included rope, and the extension part of the ladder slid easily upward, locking in place, rung by rung, for safety. Werner also includes a built-in lowering assist feature, which provides a controlled and gentle descent. This minimizes the chances of jarring slams, broken fingers, and rope burns. The Werner fiberglass extension ladder's glide-safe technology prioritizes safety. Number 4. Gorilla 18-foot MPXA 2.0 multi-position ladder. Although it takes up more storage space than a standard telescoping ladder, the 18-foot multi-position ladder from Gorilla offers more reach for the money. This 5-in-1 aluminum ladder can be configured as an 18-foot max reach extension ladder, an 11-foot max reach 2-sided step ladder or stairway ladder, and a 10.5-foot max reach 90-degree wall ladder. The Gorilla 18-foot MPXA 2.0 was easy to set up and use in all of the available configurations. Its versatility makes it a great option for cleaning out gutters that are harder to reach. We would have been willing to pay a little more to get the full 5-in-1 functionality with the initial purchase instead of having to pay $20 for separate hardware afterward. The chunky hinges and locking pins were very easy to operate with gloved hands and held the ladder perfectly steady when we climbed. Number 5. Extend Climb 12-foot Telescoping Extension Ladder. Extend Plus Climb offers a variety of American National Standards Institute, ANSI, certified and Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, compliant telescoping ladders, including the 780p Plus, its popular 12.5-foot telescoping extension ladder. It is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy for strength and weighs 30 pounds. This ladder measures 12.5 feet long when fully extended for a maximum reach of 16.5 feet and has a load capacity of 300 pounds. The retracted height is just 32 inches. The Extend Plus Climb ladder was everything we were looking for in a telescopic ladder: compact, relatively lightweight, sturdy, and capable of offering a good reach for most interior and single-story exterior projects. It was fast and easy to set up and retract. During setup, the locking tabs clicked audibly in place, and a green dot that was revealed beside each tab gave visual confirmation that it was safe to climb.